Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 35 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu, and you can do it by pressing and holding the back button. Once the menu opens, use the down button right here to scroll through the menu and select the settings option. And once you select settings, press the activity button to enter. Now scroll through the settings and find the system option. And once you select it, press the activity. And here select the time option, press the activity, and now select set time and press activity. And here we need to select the manual option, press activity, and now we can change the time by using the down button, and you can adjust the time to your liking. So first the hour, then the minutes, and then AM or PM. As you can see, the time changed. You can also change the time format. So if you select time format, press activity, you can select 12 hours or 24 hours. And then you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.